1974 Porsche 911 Targa. Price: $56,500. Location: Ohio, USA. The 1974 Porsche 911 Targa is a timeless masterpiece that continues to capture the hearts of classic car enthusiasts around the world. Finished in its highly desirable factory lime green paint, also known as color code 137, this stunning sports car instantly commands attention wherever it goes. The vibrant exterior is beautifully paired with a sleek black interior, creating a bold yet elegant combination that perfectly represents Porsche's legendary design philosophy of the 1970s. The removable Targa roof transforms every drive into an unforgettable open-air experience while preserving the structural integrity that made the Targa famous. Unlike a traditional convertible, the signature stainless steel roll bar and wraparound rear glass create a unique silhouette recognized by collectors everywhere. Whether cruising through scenic highways or arriving at a classic car event, this Porsche delivers an unmistakable presence that never goes unnoticed. The power comes from Porsche's iconic air-cooled flat-six engine, paired with a desirable 4-speed Type 915 manual transmission. Every shift feels mechanical, precise, and incredibly rewarding. Fuel injection provides dependable performance, while four-wheel disc brakes inspire confidence on every drive. The combination of re-engine balance, responsive steering, and lightweight engineering reminds drivers why the Porsche 911 became one of the greatest sports cars ever built. The exterior continues to impress with its classic 15-inch Fuchs-style wheels wrapped in Kumho tires, a sporty rear spoiler, chrome rear bumper details, and a clean single exhaust system. Open the front trunk, and you'll even find the original spare tire, another detail appreciated by collectors. Every angle of this car reflects Porsche's commitment to timeless styling and exceptional engineering. The interior is equally inviting, featuring supportive sports seats designed for spirited driving and long-distance comfort. The three-spoke steering wheel, VDO, and Suntune gauges, analog clock, dual side mirrors, vent windows, and Kenwood audio system create an authentic vintage driving environment while offering practical comfort for today's enthusiast. Every control feels purposeful, placing the driver at the center of the Porsche experience. Perhaps the biggest highlight of this remarkable 911 Targa is its extensive maintenance history. Included with the car are documented service records totaling an impressive $18,756.51, covering maintenance performed from September 1986 through August 2023. This significant investment demonstrates years of careful ownership and provides valuable confidence for future buyers seeking a well-preserved classic Porsche rather than an uncertain restoration project. As collectible air-cooled Porsche models continue to grow in popularity, finding a well-maintained, factory lime green 1974 Porsche 911 Targa becomes increasingly rare.